shot. I'm trying to get that mirror. You feel me? Look fly, don't it? And I got that one too. Both of them, 50 ball. Need some help, bro? Oh, you got it. Big dog got it. Where the hole was at? Still?
You want to take it?
Let me let you know.
I've been putting it over here.
Oh, that's cool too. Brand new walls. Right here. It don't break nothing. So listen, Mish. Got these two mirrors. This vanity. Come on back here.
Here.
I got this vanity right here. I got the sink. And I got 3 kitchen cabinets. All upper wall cabinets. So 3 for $680. Not bad.
I don't know how good
So basically,
that is. So.
Well, I'll put it to you like this. The vanity alone is like $400 at Home Depot. I gotta get the tops out of the car. So I got all of it for $680.
Yeah, that's
Tell you, same guy.
I can get somebody else to take it.
Let's see.
Word. What's up?
This new paint look nice.
I think so.
Is this gonna get changed?
I might change them.
It's very low.
Oh, you talking about that? No, it stays like that. That's where the table goes. You feel me? Got it, man. Keep messing up the tubs, man. You gotta cover it up with plastic or something. Like all that stuff on there. Looks great. Should have got rid of those though. Old cabinets. This looking nice. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the tile I just picked up for the low. Turn my light on, hold on. So, I got this from the Lowe's for, it was originally $279, I think, $279 if I'm not mistaken. Man, a square foot, $279 a square foot. And they had it on clearance for 48 cents. I think 48 cents a square foot. Man, can't beat it. I grabbed all of them. I don't care if I needed them or not. I was like, I need all those. Nice, ain't it? These was on clearance too. These was originally, I think, $1.99 a square foot. Got it for 50 cents. I think it was 50 cents a square foot, yeah. So that's how I'm gonna do it. These are gonna go inside the shower, like so. So that's gonna be inside. Let's put it right there, actually, hold on. So that's gonna go inside the shower. And these are gonna go outside of the shower. On the wall. Like so. So that's gonna be on the wall. That's gonna be in the shower. And then I'm gonna have a different tile for the floor also. I don't know where it's at though. On the floor. So, boom. I know y'all like, this a lot of damn going different tile, but trust me, it's gonna be fly once it's all put together. You know what I'm saying? It's all neutral colors. So, boom, shiny wall, semi-shiny inside with the boom. Vanity for in here. Gonna go with this mirror. I was gonna go with this one, but it don't really match the wood like that. But the gold matches better with this knobs on the inside, but I'm gonna change the knobs to gold to match this. Just the light I'm gonna roll with. Which I think the color. I don't know. I was gonna roll with this mirror, but the light looked like it matched this one better. What say you? I think I like the circle mirror. Let's put them all together. Let's see. I don't know. Don't look that bad. I just didn't want the circle mirror because it didn't match the wood, but more of a bronze color. Definitely a bigger mirror. I don't know. I like both. Actually, it don't look that bad. It don't look that different. Now that I look at it from a distance.
You gonna throw that one away?
Say it again.
Do you gonna turn that one away?
This?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Kobe has said that about Shaq. If he would just worked hard, if he would have been